Good morning. Unit 13, Week 1, Day 3. Let's start with our sounds. Let's skip to E, ed, E, peep, E. How about K, kite, K? Let's find another K sound. C, cat, K. There's one more K sound. Where is it? Here it is. CK, sock, K. How about this one? Xbox, X. Okay. Gonna go through some of our trick words pretty quickly. Would, could, should. I feel like we did these ones. That's okay though. Why, buy, my, try. Also, put, some, come. Who? Mr., Mrs. Very, want, own, been, little, is his, to, over, number, to, say, says. Okay. We're actually going to look at a couple of our words of the day, and we're going to examine them a little more closely. So the first word I would like you to read. I hope everybody said upset. So I'm going to write upset on the board. Upset. Okay. Does this word have one or two syllables? Two syllables. Upset. They are both closed syllables. Let's look at this word. Go ahead and say it. Bluffs. B-L-U-F-F-S. Bluffs. One syllable or two syllables? One syllable. So bluff is the base word. S is the suffix. Closed and a brev up top. So we've got bluffs. Next one. Rules. Rules. It's got that long U sound. Rules. Base word is rule, and it's has a suffix S, long U, so it is a vowel, consonant E, and a macron over the U. Plastic. How many syllables are in plastic? Two. Plastic. Has that IC, that ick sound, ends in an I and a C. The first syllable is short, and the second syllable is short. Plastic. What about this word? Includes. What's the base word? Include. Include. Has two syllables. Include. Let's look at those syllables for a minute. Short syllable in front with a brev. Vowel consonant E syllable with a long U. And we have to cross out the E. I forgot to cross out the E in rule. Okay, so we're going to take a closer look at these words. At the word upset, bluffs, rules, plastic, and includes. And I want you to shout out the words that have a suffix on them. So I'm going to circle the words in blue that have a suffix on them. Bluffs has a suffix S. Rules has a suffix S. That's it for suffixes. What about a two-syllable word? Let's circle our two-syllable words. There's quite a few. In, just just going to add a different color, red. Okay, so shout out those 2-syllable words. Upset is a 2-syllable word. Plastic is a 2-syllable word. Include is a 2-syllable word. Good. What about the word that has a bonus letter in it? Which word has a bonus letter in it? I hope you said bluffs. It has a bonus F at the top. So that's going to get an underline for a bonus F at the top. And what word means you're sad about something? The word upset means sad. Which word has a vowel consonant E in it? Shout out the word or words that have a vowel consonant E in it. We're going to underline them in purple. Rules has vowel consonant E. The base word is a vowel consonant E. And include has a vowel consonant E. Good. All right. Moving on, we are going to do some sentence dictation. And this helps us practice for our unit tests. So let's do our first 3 sounds. So I'm going to write sounds at the top of my board. Okay, so your first sound is N. What says N? N says N. What says sh? SH, the digraph SH says sh, and I underlined it because it's a digraph. What says all? Don't write O. What says all? ALL, ball, all, and that is a glued sound. Okay, our 2 current words are, 3, excuse me, napkins. Write napkins. Napkins. Napkins, good. Our second word is insisted. What's the base word in insisted? The base word is insist. So let's start with that. Insist. Insist. Insisted. All right, so that's a long word. I'm going to move this just a little closer. I feel like you can't. It's not really big enough. There we go. Okay. And our last word is unzips. What's the base word in unzips? Unzip, unzip, unzips. And we add our suffix. Good. Our review word is shrimp. Let's tap out shrimp. 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 Good. Trick word work. WORK. Trick word word. WORD. So work and word have the same 3 letters at the beginning. This one has a K, that one has a D. Our sentence is stop disrupting our class. Stop. Stop. Disrupting. What's the base word in disrupting? Disrupt. So let's start with that. Up. Right? Rupt. Rupt. I want to make sure I have all of those letters. That's why I'm tapping out the second syllable. Disrupting. Now I have to put on my suffix. Disrupting. Stop disrupting our, O-U-R, class. Class. And guess what? There is a bonus S on class. Exclamation point. That gets an exclamation point. All right, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and send me this sentence. Stop disrupting our class. All right, thank you. See you tomorrow.